If you work in customer support, average handle time is a metric you must know about and you should be able to use correctly. Average handle time tracks the time spent by your support agents during customer interactions plus follow-up tasks. If we apply this to the phone channel, that would look like the time spent during the call, any hold time that may be there, and time spent on follow-up tasks to satisfy that customer request. This is a very important metric for a variety of reasons, but the main one is that time is a very precious and scarce resource to your customers, and is also very important to track the ability of your agents to solve issues fast and effectively. So average handle times gives you an idea of how long it takes for your agents to solve issues, but also how long it takes for customers to have their requests handled and hopefully successfully satisfied. Now, this is a metric that is often applied to the phone channel, but it could apply to other channels too. For instance, if you're using a live chat, you could basically use the same metric, and instead of phone call time, you would be looking at the time spent in the chat and additional tasks that might come after that. When it comes to benchmarks, it's very important not to think too much about trying to research what the industry standards are or what your competitors might be doing, because this metric is very channel specific, but it's also heavily impacted by the kind of requests that come through. I can give you an example. If you're looking at very complex kind of requests from your customers that will take a lot of time to be handled, that's not necessarily a bad thing. That means that simple, easy requests are automated or handled in some other way, in a self-serve way, let's say, or maybe you're proactively solving those beforehand and your agents are only spending time on complex, high-impact requests that naturally take longer to be solved. The same applies if you have different teams. Let's say a technical support team and another team of agents that is dedicated to non-technical support. You might see very big differences in average handle time due to the nature of the requests. One way technology can help, and of course I need to mention full view in this case, is when you are able to reduce the number of questions that you're asking your customers to gain context or understand what happened. So with full view, you would be able to watch replays of what happened, have all device, network, user journey information beforehand or during the call, and that cancels the need to ask a lot of questions and spend valuable time trying to understand what happened, because you have all of the information at your fingertips. So investing in technology can help a lot when it comes to improving this metric, but as I said, you always need to keep in mind that longer time spent on request might also mean that you're getting more complex or higher impact requests coming in. That's all for today. We have a lot more content on customer support metrics, so make sure to check it out and hope to see you all the next time.